Babies and young children learn best through play. As the busy parents, we don't always know how to teach piano our kids in a productive way to help them learn music with the fun and joy. Implement even a few of these ideas will help you most of piano lessons with your kids. Encourage curiosity in your little one and develop interest and love in music that will last for a lifetime. I'm Tatiana. I'm a piano teacher and the founder of Pleasanton Academy of Music in Bay Area. I hold master's degree in piano performance. If you're looking for music education and encouragement in learning piano for kids, you have come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and then hit the little bell so you don't miss any videos that's created just for you. In previous two videos, we talk about finger numbers and location of 2 and 3 black keys. Why we start playing piano from learning 2 black keys and 3 black keys songs? First, reading the black keys notes is a great way to start for small hands. Second, playing on the black keys helps shape beginners' hand, and songs that are fun to play will induce them to practice. My students are preschoolers from age 2 to 5. When I showed my students a regular sheet music with the black and white notes, they didn't really want to play, even though it was one of those famous kids songs like Hot Cross Buns or Mary Had a Little Lamb. I did an experiment. I asked parents what's their kids' favorite characters from books or cartoons. Then, I customized songs for each student. Instead of writing note heads, I put kids' favorite characters. The result was absolutely amazing. When I introduced a new music sheet to my little students, they eagerly desired to play it and asked for more songs to play. This is Christine. She's 4. She loves watching Paw Patrol. I like playing Paw Patrol. Marshall Chase, Marshall Chase, Marshall Chase, Marshall. Alexander is 4. His favorite characters are from Minecraft. Hold. Good. Then Ocelot hold. Hold and wolf. Okay, let's make a trick. We're gonna take this off. Oh, nice. Next, 3, 2, hold. And one more. 4, hold long. Hold the long. Dog long. This is Alexander. He's 4. He loves Russian cartoon characters малышарики. Ёжик и Нюша длинная. Длинная. Смотри сюда. Крошек, ёжик и длинная. Длинный крошек. Крошек. Крошек, крошек где? 4-й пальчик. Давай 4-й. Длинный, длинный. И это тоже длинный. Крошек, ёжик, Нюша. Длинный крошек, ёжик. Ryan is my youngest student. He just turned 2. Christine and Ryan are siblings and watch the same cartoon. It's Paw Patrol. Marshall Chase, Marshall Chase. Давай еще. Marshall. Нашел? Marshall Chase, Marshall Chase, Marshall Chase, Marshall. Вот. Marshall. This is Nicholas. He is 5. He likes to watch the Magic School Bus. 2. Next. 3 and 4. Excellent. One more. Room, room. Long note. 2 room. Long and one more long. Children of different age benefit working and learning together. They learn and motivate each other. 3. Good. And then 2. 2. Very good. Next one again. School bus. School bus. Let's go. 4. Yes. Then we have 3 and 2. Длинная, длинная. Good job. Last. Room, room. School bus. Room, room. Good. Then long. 3rd finger and 2nd very long. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description below for my products. Thanks for being with me in this video, and I will see you in the next one.